Hey guys, so let's compare the top specs and features of the Blackview Bl9000 with that of the Blackview Bl9000 Pro. This is just to point out the differences and similarities between these two 5G rugged phones. These two rugged phones are very similar, so in this video we'll be pointing out the differences and similarities between both of them. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's head into it. As you can see, both devices are very similar with little differences, but which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.